Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of light and shadow roof in Hartupia. So in the spring season, Hartupia has a special event that called Dreamlike Cinematic, and in this event, there's a battle pass like this, and in here you can unlock lots of cool rewards. One of them is build building permit of light and shadow roof like this, and to get this building permit, you need reach level 20, battle pass level 20, and to level it up you need collect festival points like this that you can get from the town festival catalogs or town festival limited collections rewards, and even you can also get these festival points after you complete the resident request or daily quest. And once you finally reach level 20, this light and shadow roof will be unlocked on your build mode, and you can just use it from there. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.